So just a quick video here on how to make piecewise functions in Geogebra. So on my screen at the moment I've got three functions: f of x equal to 1 over x plus 2, g of x which equals x squared, and h of x which equals 2x minus 1. And you can see I've got these three functions on my screen, and I would like to turn them into one piecewise function. So the easiest way to do this is we'll just break them into pieces. So the first one, what I would like to show is all the function for the values of x less than -1. So up here I'm going to come to my function, I'm going to type comma, then a space, then an open bracket, and then I'm going to put x is less than or equal to -1, and just move my cursor to the end and press enter. And you can see just like that we've now got our function f of x for all values of x less than or equal to -1. I'm then going to come and do the same thing with g of x. So with g of x I'm going to go up to my function, I'm going to put a comma and a space and an open bracket, and this time I'm going to put values of x, between -1 and 1. So I'm going to put in the -1 first, and then less than or equal to x, and then I'm going to put the x is less than or equal to 1. And I go to the end and press enter, and now you'll see I've got the piece of the function g for values of x between or equal to -1 and 1. And the last function, h of x, I am going to also put a comma, open bracket, and this time I just want it for values of x greater than 1. So I can just put x greater than or equal to 1. And let's see if that works, hitting enter, perfect. And now I've got one piecewise function represented. There are a few different ways of doing this, and we can use an if statement. An alternative is to use an if statement, and we could make this into a proper piecewise function represented as one piecewise function up here. I'll do that in another video, but for the moment this is fine. And actually if I go and click on these individually, you'll see this if function. So it's if, and then we've got the condition and then the function. So it's actually an if statement, function and condition, and we can just keep going condition, function, condition, function, condition, function, all in the one set of brackets, and we can get Geogebra to make one piecewise function. That is it.